Hello, what's up, people? Happy New Year to everyone. Right now, we have actually planned to a small trip from Naples to Milan, and from then to Istanbul, and then Turkey. So, let's see how it goes. Right now, we are in Milan, as you can see.
We have booked a hotel in Milan, but since our bus was too early, it was around 7:30 in the morning. We couldn't check in the hostel because the check-in time was around 11 o'clock. So we first went to the cathedral and then we checked in. So this was the room that we have booked in. So this was the hall area, and then there's a kitchen, but there's no stove, but there's just oven and a fridge. And then coming to our room, it was just a three-bedroom, but with a sharing bathroom. It's okay, but there was a good view also. As you can see, this was the view that we got from our hostel. So we just booked it for one day because tomorrow we are going to travel again. So that's all. Since we had a long bus journey for around 10 hours from Naples to Milan, we freshed up very quickly, and
Since we did not eat anything from the morning, we are very hungry. So, we found an Indian restaurant close by. So, we are trying to go there and have something. Spicy village.
if you are in Milan and if you want to try this restaurant, take a screenshot of this QR and then scan the code.
So the ambience was also nice, as you can see. It is well decorated, and even the chairs and stuff is everything good. So we are done with the lunch, and food was actually an 8 out of 10. And so now we are going to another location in Milan. So let's see how it actually is.
Hi. If you might have seen my previous videos, you might have known Sandeep. So he was not in this trip because he had some issues with his permissor. So we will stay with the trip. Let's hope we have a trip in the future. So this was the location in Navigli, Milano, where there can be a boat ride or something. So right now there was nothing when we reached. So this was the location. While we are walking through the bridge, we have seen lots of keys and locks and keys. Where when we asked about the locals, they told this was like the symbol of love. There, some couple comes here, they uh, put a lock and throw the keys in the this canal. So that's how they think their relationship would last long. This was the tram service that is provided in Milan. If you buy a ticket for 7.6 for a whole day, you can track any kind of transportation which is under the Milan city region, a bus or a train or a tram, whatever. You can travel through this.
So we are done with this location and it's about 4:30 p.m. It's about to sunset also, it's getting dark. So we are trying to find another location which has something good to see. So let's go.
So we took the tram to reach back to our hostel, but meanwhile we have seen some locations during the travel. Like we have seen some good shops with some discounts. So we stopped by and went into some locations here. So which is Primark, Pull and Bear. There are multiple shops with discounts. So we tried to find something which is good, good offer. So we were just doing some window shopping. We didn't find any much good deals in the shops, so we are heading back towards the cathedral. So to get some souvenirs and do some more shopping. So we are back towards the cathedral.
Si tu ne m'aimes pas, je t'aime. Si je te me prends pour toi. Si tu ne m'aimes pas, si tu ne m'aimes pas, je t'aime.
So these were some of the shops that we have seen near the Milan Cathedral when we came back. Because maybe this is because of the season, because of the New Year, or whether for the Christmas, there were all lots of shops to sell very little bit of stuff like the keychains or some clothes. Some were even selling some chocolates with different kinds of designs, as you can see in this video. So this was all the pretty formal stuff in Italy.
So we're almost done with the day. We have been to the cathedral and then the lake and even to the Indian restaurant and multiple places in Milan. So tomorrow we have the flight to Istanbul. So stay tuned to get the all updates and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss any other updates, even to the WhatsApp channel. And now we are going to the Indian restaurant. We are actually very hungry, so we are going to eat and then going back to our room, and that's pretty much it. So we are done with our day and we had our dinner and we are back to our room, as you can see. So I think that's the end of the video, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. There's much more to come tomorrow. We are actually going to some interesting places in Milan, and we are even traveling to some new places to Istanbul and Turkey also. So make sure you subscribe to don't miss the videos. See you.